What is going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing amazing today. We're going to learn Georgy Girl by the Seekers. This is one of those super cool songs that just totally sounds like the 60s. I heard it, growing up here or there, and I never really knew who the Seekers were. And then recently on YouTube, I'm watching and I realized they got a bunch of really cool songs, fun, positive, energy folk songs from the 60s. So we're going to learn this one really fast. Warning, it's got a lot of chords, so I've got a full playthrough at the end. So you can jump to that if you just sort of want to hear the whole performance, if you will, and I'll put some chords on the screen. So let me know what you think about this one and give me some more suggestions, and let's get to it. So you're here in G major with a capo on the 4th fret, and you can whistle if you want. So I'm going to show you the chords first, not the whistling part, and then I'll show you those extra notes at the end here. So G major, and the key here is that 7th fret of the B string, like that. So you want to include that, not a regular G major, it just doesn't sound the same. So to B minor, I play it with my thumb. You can do a bar chord if you want. That's B minor, C major, D major, and does that over and over again for a while. It goes, hey there, Georgy girl, da-na-na-na-na, fancy free, nobody like me could. C major, see the F major, D. So it goes F major, D major, inside you. It does it again. G, B minor, C, D, G, B minor, C, D, G, B minor, C, F major, D major. So it went to F major quicker right there, and then to D major quicker. And when it goes to the D, check this out. It goes right there, pretty nice. So you can play a regular D major, just lay your finger down on that 7th fret, or use your pinky to add that right there on the 7th fret of the high E string. Back to a regular D major, and then remove and hit the open E string, and back to a regular D major. So again, check out the performance and you hear how it flows right there, and at the end of this video. And then it goes E minor, B minor, C, G, B major, B major, E, A, D. And by the way, did you know this song has all like 7 A, B, C, D, E, G chords in it? Rarely do any songs do that and pull it off well. So you end up back in a D major, a little bit, does that staccato again, and then G major, B minor, C, D, goes to a D major, and then does this nice little walk down, E minor. So you hit an E minor, and you start emphasizing that 6th fret of the D string, and just remove it, and you're sort of hitting the open notes right there from the D, G, B, and E, but don't hit the low notes. That's a little walk down to get you to C major, the world C, D major, a new Georgy girl, and it goes G, G, C, G, D, like that. And then it goes into the little chorus, solo part right there. And that goes like this. Very fun, isn't it? So I'm going to go through this fast. You can put it in slow-mo, rewind if you need to. Open G, 7th fret of the B string, 9th fret, back to 7th fret, open G, 6th fret of the G string, open B string, 5th fret of the B, open B, 6th fret of the G, open G, 6th fret of the G, open D twice, and then it does this. Open G, 6th fret, open B string, 5th fret of the B string, open B string, open G string, and then go 9th fret of the B, 7th fret, 5th fret, open B string, hit it one more time, 6th fret of the G string, open G string, and back to that 6th fret of the G string, and then go 7th of the B and 9th of the B. Very cool. And then you go back into and back up on a big G major. So in a second, check out the full performance. It'll help you understand the flow and all the feeling of it. And I'd love to hear what you think in the comments. Give me some more suggestions from the 60s for folk and the Seekers and anybody else. All right, let's get into it. Ready? Here we go. Inside